Okay, this is your second lesson from me. All right, now check it out. Before I showed you Eddie. Okay, there you go. Eddie ate dynamite. Goodbye, Eddie. Right? So you remember. Not too hard to remember. So right now I'm going to show you how to press your finger on the string in order to get a note. Now keep in mind, you want to press the strings like that, not like that, like a lot of people do when they first start. They hold the strings. You want to use your fingertips because you can do the same thing all the way over here. As long as you got a little, see that little space between my hand and the guitar. Don't grab the guitar like that, and don't put the fingers on the strings like that. So, right here, and see where my thumb is. See how you hold? Damn, I'm sorry, but look, see how you hold it. You can put your finger like right there. Okay, this is really getting irritating. There you go. Okay, I turned it. See where I put my thumb? I usually like to put my thumb around the top so I can have control over that top thing. But you can, in order to get a good hold, to really get the strings. Sorry about that. Maybe I need more space. See, because when you hit, okay, let me show you the chord, right? See, I have my fingers on the strings, placed on the strings straight up and down. Well, imagine that's how it looks. So I'm gonna play that chord just like that. This is a G. Okay, so when you're placing your fingers on the strings, check it out, right? Well, this is how I first started doing it when I first started playing the guitar. I play the string, right, just like that. You can see, just like that. So I put my finger on the string behind the fret. These bars that go up and down, like that cross the strings, those are frets, right? You probably already know that by now. That's the fret, and this you can count the frets too. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. There's 20 frets on my guitar. It's probably about the same on yours, right? And if you notice, if you see these little white dots, those are little memory markers, right? Which is really dope because if you remember where all the dots are, like the first dot is on the 3rd fret, right? The second dot is on the 5th fret. The third dot is on this. Wait, hold on. Wait, let me count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th fret. So this is the 7th fret. And then you got 7, 8, 9th fret. So this is the 9th fret dot. 9, 10, 11, 12th fret dots. See, you notice how 12 has the 2 dots? You're going to be, once you get really good, you're going to be in this area. You're going to be in this area a lot. You know what I mean? And then you got 12 here. You always remember that the 2 dots is 12. And 13, 14, 15. Then 16. It's 17. So I got 17 playable positions. So anyway, so like I was telling you, when you play, you want to know how much pressure you need to put on the chord, on a string, in order to make a sound. So what I'm doing is I just rest my finger on the string just like that, and I just press a little harder until I get the note. I'm not putting all my pressure on the string, because you can get those lines, but you're gonna get those lines anyway. You get really into it. But what you want to do is, just hold your finger on, put your finger on top of it while you're playing it, and then you see how now you know how much pressure you need. See that? You don't have to press down all the way because your hand will get tired too fast. So you want to know how much pressure you're going to put on the string. You see that? You want to know how much pressure you're going to put on the string. You don't want to press all the way down because you don't have to. And plus, you know, you'll start developing odd-looking muscles in your hand. I'm just kidding. Yeah. But okay, so that's lesson 2. I hope you learned something from that one. All right.